Have you ever heard of a service called Streamyard? Well, it's a really cool service that you can use to do your Facebook Lives, your YouTube Lives, and even LinkedIn Lives. So stay tuned as we talk and I review what I think of Streamyard. Thanks so much for joining us back on this channel. Today we're going to talk all about how you can up your game with Facebook Live. So Facebook Live has been a feature that we've had forever on Facebook, but now there's some really cool things that you can do to make it even more interactive. So I wanted to show you this new product that's fairly new. It's called Streamyard, and there's a lot of things that you can do with it with the free program. The free program I'll show you in this clip is how I filmed my video with an interview I did with a realtor in Kelowna. So you can see that on the top right hand corner there is a picture of a duck with the Streamyard logo. So this is because it was free. I couldn't remove that logo for any reason because of that. That's the only restriction that you have. You can still use all the banners and the tickers and the backgrounds that you want to use, and you can upload them. It's a very simple service to use. You log in, you fill in your information, and then you go into the product and you can click to banners on the right hand side, and you can type in all of the information you want to include before your session starts. So you prepare this beforehand, and then once you're ready to launch, you can start yourself. You click that button down below to put yourself into the screen. Now, putting yourself into the screen does not mean you're live. If you notice on the top right hand corner, there is a live button there. Once you click that button, then you are live. There's a few options. On the free program, you can only stream to one source at a time. So you can only pick if you want to do your Facebook business page or your Facebook personal page. You only can do one at a time. Now, if you pay for the premium product, the one upgraded level above it, it'll allow you to remove Little Duck, put your own logo, and it'll also allow you to stream to two different sources. So you can pick Facebook personal and the business live at the same time, or you can pick LinkedIn and your Facebook, or you can pick YouTube. If you want to add yet another stream at the same time, you're gonna have to pay for the other up level grade. Now, as a realtor, using the two is great. Even using the one stream is fine. I just like to have my own logo and be able to put my own branding on it. So while you're in the Streamyard post, once you've gone live, it does connect. So when you have people comment on your Facebook Live, you can actually feature their comment by clicking on the comments into the video, and it shows right into your live stream. So it's a really cool feature, makes it look more produced, and you're all doing this right at the touch of your own computer. You can click back and forth between the banners, and you can add and take away the comments. If you have any questions on how to use Streamyard, let us know. It is a great product. We give it a full thumbs up, and definitely something worth trying. If you want to give it a try, click our affiliate referral link below and you can check it out. Don't forget, you can use it for free as well. If you have any favorite features, comment down below and let us know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you next time.